So hi, I'm Kent Stroman, and I promised to give you some tips about climbing the 10-step staircase for asking and receiving larger gifts. Today we're going to focus on the first two steps. Step number one is getting acquainted. We're going to use this step with someone who is not familiar with the organization. And so the question that we want to ask is this: can you see yourself becoming involved with our mission? Now, in order for that question to make sense, we have to have a context against which to ask it, and that is having shared the mission, the track record, the passion of the organization. So this is a permission question. Can you see yourself being involved with the mission? If the answer is yes, that gives us an open door then to take step number two. That's introducing the project. And so, as with any fundraising campaign, whether it's a large multi-year, maybe multi-million-dollar campaign, or perhaps it's the annual fund campaign that happens year after year after year, there's a campaign, there are many aspects that are being funded by the fundraising project. So here's what I want to ask the donor after I've introduced them to the various different dimensions of the project. Which aspect of the project is of most interest to you? As I listen carefully to their response, it will give me insight into what their passion, their preference, their priorities may be. And that will allow me then later on to come back and make a gift proposal that fits right in the heart of their generosity. Well, I can't wait to share the next step with you, and we'll do that next week. See you then.